How to change TikTok notification sound. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to change TikTok notification sound. Watch the video till the end, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch settings on your device. Open apps and now select app management. Now search for TikTok app using the search bar. Open it. Now you have to access manage notifications and make sure to toggle the button on for allow notifications. Now simply you can go ahead and open the ringtone. Make sure to toggle the button off on off ringtone, and here you will see the categories. Simply for example, for comments you can open it and then choose the particular ringtone. For now it has said to app default, you can choose any of your choice. Likewise, you can also set the ringtone for other categories like likes, new followers, and many more, and easily change TikTok notification sound. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.